Okay, now it's time to set up the environment. Now I have provided the links for the download and for the machine on the Vuln Hub. So here is the description. You can read it. It is Ubuntu Server 12. And here are the architecture, the RAM, network, and whatever. And the goal here, as you can see, boot up, find IP, hack the way until you find the trophy hidden way in the /root. So we need to have a root access or root permission to get access for the file inside the root directory. Okay, so after you have downloaded, open VirtualBox, new, name it whatever you want. I will name it Hack Lab here. And we will choose Linux like this. Next, create, next. And from here, as you can see, the Hack Lab, let's go to the setting. First, we need to make sure that we are a bridge adapter. And for the storage here, so I want to add a new storage, and the storage will be, so from here add, choose the one we have downloaded, which is .vmdk file, and choose it. Now let's remove this file from here. We don't need it. Okay, and start. Press enter, and let's wait a little bit until it is booted. Now you can see that we are able to log in, which means that we have the setup ready. Now in the next lecture, we will start hacking this machine.